driving, so my son is recording. Here we are in Tennessee, I think?
No,
Kentucky? I don't even know. We've driven through so many states today. But we're almost to our destination, and I'm so excited because we are behind a horse and buggy. Yes, that means we're going 5 miles an hour, and the person behind us is probably not happy. But I am thrilled because this takes me back to my childhood days. We used to drive up to Pennsylvania at least once a month to go see these Christian movies. And my parents did it every month. And our biggest thing, because we didn't have phones back then, was to wave at the Amish people and see how many people would wave back. That was our source of entertainment back then. And so I am so excited for the kids to see what a live Amish horse and buggy looks like. Hi, this is the RV Mama, and this is where we stayed for a harvest fest last night. It's a free program that you pay like $50 a year, and then you can stay at farms, wineries, breweries. We are currently at a goat farm, which we didn't know until we pulled in at 10 p.m. We thought we saw a herd of wild wolves coming at us, and actually it was goats. They were all over here, but the gentleman told us that by 9 o'clock they would be gone and out to pasture. He said that actually, he goes, well, I hope that the goats don't jump in front of your truck. So we're hoping that they didn't either. I was going to put a tarp on the front of the truck to protect it, but I think it was high enough and rounded enough that it didn't look too appealing. But next time, note to self, yeah, make sure that you pull in at night, not at night.